The new Temerario V8 twin-turbo engine is the first and only production super sports car turbocharged engine able to reach 10,000 RPM thanks to race-inspired technical solutions. The flat-plane crankshaft, titanium conrods, and sliding finger followers coated with diamond-like carbon contribute to create a new mechanical masterpiece, giving the pilot the sensation of an endless progression. No other turbocharged engine on the market has this kind of characteristics, merging the advantages of two worlds: the linear and constant acceleration of a naturally aspirated engine and the torque availability of a turbocharged powertrain.